Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Cash App request fail. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue, what you can do first is head over and open up your App Store, then on the search bar type in Cash App and then tap on the app and check to see if the app is an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might cause the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But if for some reason if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen, open up your settings, then inside settings select general, then inside general type on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do here is scroll all the way down until you find the Cash App application. Let me just assume this app is the Cash App application. Now you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you're facing. So once the process has been done, your issue will be fixed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.